And last but not least, the 1968 Ford Mustang Convertible, candy ruby red over black. Remember candy apple red? That was always the color that sounded so exotic.
Yeah.
Candy apple red.
One of the hottest candy apples is the Mazda color.
Yeah, that's a great color. So 54,000 miles, actual miles on this Ford Mustang Convertible with the 289 cubic inch V8 4-barrel. That's a C4 3-speed automatic, which is cool. You know, you can drive it and enjoy it and not have to worry about the clutch and shifting gears and all that stuff if you're into that kind of thing. 4-wheel disc brakes and Cobra seats, which were really cool back in the day. They were kind of a less expensive version than the Recaro seats were the high dollar ones. Right. They were like $400 a piece or something. Maybe weren't that much, but they were expensive. The Corbos were maybe $189 or something, and they were cool, but they had very tall side bolsters, so when you got in, you were in. There was no shifting around. You didn't slide out of the other passenger side of the bench seat car. You were just gripped in that thing. So really a neat car and make a perfect candidate for a daily driver.